Hi everybody, my name is Lavanya HS of class 10th studying in Arvind International School, Kunigal. I thank my science teacher who has given this opportunity. Today I am going to review the chapter Sources of Energy. What is energy crisis? Even though energy can neither be created nor destroyed, still we need to worry about energy crisis because energy in usable form is being disputed to the surroundings in less usable form. Characteristics of good fuel. A good fuel should have high caloric value, have proper ignition temperature, easy to handle and transport. While selecting a good fuel, what are the three relevant questions asked about a fuel? How much heat does it release on burning? Does it produce a lot of smoke? It is easily available. Characteristics of good source of energy. A good source of energy should give large amount of energy per unit volume and mass. Must be easily accessible, must be easy to store and transport, must be economical. Sources of energy. The materials that provides the required amount of energy is called sources of energy. Good fuel. A good fuel produces huge amount of heat on burning, does not produce a lot of smokes and easily available. What has led to a growing demand for energy? Increasing industrialization had led to a better quality of life all over the world. This has led global demand for energy. Need for conserving energy. Fossil fuels are non-renewable source of energy. If we continue to consume at a such rate, soon we will rule out of the energy. Hence, we need to conserve fossil fuel. Disadvantages of burning fuel. Air pollution is caused by burning coal or petroleum products. The oxides of carbon, nitrogen, sulfur that are released on burning fossil fuels from acidic oxide cause acid rain. Acid rain water affects water and soil resources. Greenhouse effect is caused due to greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide polluted by burning of fuel. The pollution caused by burning fossil fuels can be somewhat reduced by increasing the efficiency of combustion process and using various techniques to reduce the escape of harmful gases and ashes into the surroundings. Ways of producing energy: thermal power plant, hydro power plant, windmills. Thermal power plant. In a thermal power plant, fossil fuels are burnt to heat water, produce steam. Steam runs the turbine to generate electricity. Why are thermal power plants set up near coal or oil fields? Transmission of electricity is more efficient than transporting coal or petroleum over the same distance. Hence, many thermal power plants are set up near coal or oil fields. Hydroelectric power plant. Hydroelectric power plant converts the potential energy of falling water into electricity by using the kinetic energy of flowing water or potential energy of water at a height. Disadvantages of hydroelectric power plant. Dams can be constructed only in a limited number of places. Large areas of agriculture, land, and human habitation are to be satisfied as they get submerged. Large ecosystems are destroyed when submerged under the water in dams. The vegetation which is submerged roots under anaerobic conditions and gives rise to large amount of methane, which is also a greenhouse gas. It creates the problems of satisfactory rehabilitation of displaced people. Biomass. The materials obtained from plants and animals used as a fuel is called biomass. Why is there a need for improvement of efficiency of biomass? Biomass does not produce much heat on burning and a lot smoke is given out when they are burnt. Therefore, there is a need to improve the efficiency of biomass. Formation of charcoal. When wood is burnt in a limited supply of oxygen, water, and volatile materials present in it get removed and charcoal is left behind as the residue. Characteristics of charcoal. Charcoal burns without flames. It is complementary smokeless. It has higher heat generation efficiency. Biogas. Biogas is a mixture of methane, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Production of biogas. Cow dung, various plant materials like residue after harvesting the crops, vegetables, waste, and sewage are decomposed in the absence of oxygen to give biogas. Plant slurry. The slurry lag behind is removed periodically and use an excellent manure rich in nitrogen and phosphorus. Advantages of biogas. The large scale utilization of bio waste and sewage materials provide a safe, efficient method of water disposal. It supplies energy. Spent slurry can be used as manure. Wind energy. To generate electricity, the rotatory motion of the windmill is used to turn the turbine of the electric generator. Wind energy farms. A number of windmills erected over a large area is known as wind energy farms. Advantages of wind energy. Wind energy is environmental friendly. It is an efficient source of renewable energy. It requires no recurring expense for the production of electricity. Solar energy. The energy produced by the sun in the form of heat or light energy is called solar energy. Solar cooker. Solar cooker is a device which uses solar energy to cook. Advantages of solar energy. Solar energy is renewable source of energy. It is eco-friendly. It is abundantly available. It does not pollute the environment. Solar cell. Solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electricity. Solar panel. A large number of solar cells combined in arrangement is called solar panel. Advantages of solar cell. Solar cell have no moving parts, so they require little maintenance. They work satisfactorily without the use of any focusing device. They can be set up in a remote inaccessible areas where laying of power transmission lines may expensive or not possible. Why are solar energy devices costly? Availability of special grade silicon for making solar cell is limited. Silver is used for interconnection of cells in the panel adds to a cost. Tidal energy. The energy harnessed by constructing dam across a narrow opening to the sea is called tidal energy. Wave energy. The kinetic energy possessed by huge wave near a seashore is trapped to generate electricity called wave energy. Wave energy can be produced only where very strong only where are very strong. Ocean thermal energy. The energy obtained because the difference in the temperature of sea surface heated by the sun and colder water found at the deeper layers of the ocean is called ocean thermal energy. Hotspot. The molten rock formed in the deeper hot regions of the earth crust are pushed upward and trapped in the certain regions called hot spots. Hot springs. When underground water comes in the contact with the hot spots, steam is generated which finds outlets at the surface known as hot springs. Geothermal energy. The energy obtained from the hot molten rocks and trapped hot fluids inside the earth is called geothermal energy. How geothermal energy produced? When underground water comes in the contact with the hot spot, steam is generated. The steam trapped in the rocks is routed through a pipe to a turbine and used to generate electricity. Nuclear fission. The process in which nucleus of heavy atoms, when bombed without low energy neutron, splits apart into a lighter nuclei which release of tremendous amount of energy is released is called nuclear fission. Nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is a device in which converts nuclear energy into electrical energy. Principle of nuclear reactor. In a nuclear reactor, nuclear fuel undergoes self-sustaining fusion chain reactor that release energy at a controlled rate. Advantages of nuclear fission. Large amount of energy is produced per unit mass. It does not produce smoke. It is clean energy. Fission of one atoms of uranium produces 10 million times the energy released by burning of one atom of the carbon. Adds of a nuclear energy. The main adds of the nuclear power generated is the storage and disposal of spent or used fuels. Renewable source of energy. Renewable source will last as the earth receives light from the sun. These sources are freely available in the nature. These sources do not cause any pollution. Non-renewable source of energy. Renewable source of energy are those which are exhaustible and cannot replace once they have been used. Thank you everybody.